Okay, the tools you'll need for a 96 Chevy Silverado brake switch replacement. Screwdriver, the switch, and a small flashlight. In some models you need this screwdriver right here. In other models you need this one right here. And a glove for your right hand to keep you from getting cut. Okay. Let me break away for a minute and get under this thing. Okay, the main problem you're going to have is lighting. So you take your little light and you put it right there. This cable here, take this little tab loose, move it out of your way. Just move it over a little bit, it don't take much. And what you're after is this clip right here. And all you need to do is turn the clip with your screwdriver, reach under it, pop it loose. Pull your switch off. It's hooked to your master cylinder rod. You get it. Pull it down. It's hard to do with one hand and photograph it too. Let me break away again and get this thing down. Okay, I got it out. And as you can see, if you look inside the new switch, the little brass part right there, it's in really good shape and flat. And then you look in the old one right here, it's rounded out, years of wear. Probably the factory switch, I don't know. And it's broken right there, which causes you to push extra hard on your brakes just to get it to bring your brake lights on. Anyway, and of course the wires that goes right there, it's really easy to get off. Like I said, I couldn't show you on camera because it was too hard to do it. And basically you put it back in and go in reverse of everything you just done. Make sure you put the clip back on, which is really simple. And make sure you put the clip on, because that controls your master cylinder. If you don't, that clip comes off or that rod falls out, you have no brakes. And that will be a disaster. So before you start a project like this, know why you're doing it. But make sure this clip goes back on the rod that you took off. But I'm going to go back and reinstall this thing and see how it works. Okay. The switch is on. thing here. By far, the most difficult part of this job is getting this clip right here to go back into place. But once it's in place, it won't fall off.